Hi guys, welcome to the Microsoft Excel 2016 video lesson series. So now we are at the end of this video lesson series. This is the last video lessons of this Excel online series. So what we can learn in this video series? Guess what? Yes, help option. Sometimes you may stuck somewhere. So using help you can get help from Microsoft support system or some help inbuilt help provided by Microsoft Excel. So let's see how you can get help from Microsoft Excel itself and Microsoft support system. So to get any kind of help you can go to this file menu and there is a help section provided by this file menu. So click on to this help and it will have two options. One is giving a feedback to Microsoft and second one is getting your help. So let's see how you can give Microsoft feedback. If you like this Access Online or if you dislike something which is in Excel Online, then you can provide a feedback to Microsoft so they can improve this user experience. So let's say I like something and I like graphs and enter your email address if you want to and submit it to Microsoft and that feedback is submitted. So this is how you can submit feedback to Microsoft. It will improve user experience if they will consider your feedback. So now let's get back to help option and click on to this help button and it will open new window where you have to enter your problem. So I want to know how I can calculate sum. How to calculate sum and press enter key. So they will provide answer. So here it is, sum function, office support. The sum function in Excel adds the argument you enter in a formula. For example, entering sum is equal to 10 to returns 12. You can directly calculate sum using this sum formula or you can select particular cells to calculate sum. So let's click on to this link and read into detail. They also provide video guideline so you can watch this video, or there is also some formulas which is self-explaining. So select particular rows and columns and it will calculate sum. So this is how you can get help from Microsoft support system, but they also provide inbuilt help using this help toolbar. Tell me what you want to do. So write here sum. So it will search through entire software and it will give you results. So using this sum formula you can calculate sum. For example, I want to calculate sum of these three. So I write here sum and select this sum formula and so I have my sum. Here you can see the sum is calculated of this date, but I don't want to do that. Insert function and select 3 cells and now my sum is calculated. You can also search other option like chart, insert a bar chart, insert a pie chart, insert a column chart. Just search here what you want to do. For example, I want to insert a table, then I have to write just table and you can see you can insert table and format your table from this option. So these are how you can search and get help in Excel. What you want to do and what you don't know, you can do it from this option. So this is about how to get help from Microsoft Excel. So thank you for watching this video lesson series. Thank you very much.